Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom menu for your WordPress site. From our dashboard, we're going to go to Appearance, and then Menus. This is going to bring us to our menu page. Now, most themes have one main menu at the top. That's your main navigation on your site. To create a menu, type in a menu name. Now, you can see I've got two pages. I have my home page and my blog page. And my theme is also setting up an extra page. That's my home page again. So I don't need this one, so I'm going to click on Remove. Alright, so far I have a home page, and you can change the label of what it's going to actually show on the menu. So there's my home page and then my blog page. If you want to add other pages on your site to your menu, they would appear over here, and you could check them and then add to the menu. You can add other items besides pages, such as links. You can put in the URL here, and then what the menu item will be called. Or you can also add categories from your site. For example, I have a lifestyle category, a nature category, and a flowers category. Let's go ahead and add lifestyle and flowers to my menu. Now I've got 4 items on my menu, and I'm going to create my menu. This will apply it to my site. You can also go to Manage Locations and make sure that you're using the primary menu on your theme or wherever you want to put this custom menu, and select the menu that you just created. Then save changes. Alright, let's visit our site to make sure that worked. And there we go. You can see my menu up here at the top of my page is all of those items that I specified. And that's how you would create a custom menu in WordPress.